Maayong buntag mga higala. Half throttle here. Muuli na sad ta. So biyahe na punta, but this time karon nga time testingan na to kaagi diri sa Indahag. Dayon Libuna, Lusutas, Manolo, Fortich. So nakaagi na ko diri nga dalan sa una, pero nagsakyanan ko ato. Pero nakalimot na ko kung diri ko gikan mismo sa Cagayan de Oro. So nang try na ko agi diri ko gikan. Testingan ako og di ba ko masaag. Then wala pa ko katubil og karon nga biyahe mag English challenge ta. English only challenge. Atong inamaw ra god. Is English ta ba niya? Atong paning kamutan nga atong islang-slang gamay atong English. Ginamaw ta ba? Binuo ang ragot. Di tamay mo English. And then at the same time, nabuto isa ka follower na to. Follower. Ora gigunsa ka daga follower. Nag-request si ma'am nga Korean pod next time. Sige, mag-Korean ta karon. Sagol na to ni, English ta, pero naapoy atong i-Korean pod. So pero ang Korean ipaagil na ako sa kanta. Kay mas dali magud ta makakuan nga ikanta-kanta na to. Ipaagil na ako sa kanta ang Korean. Pero mostly English kita, no? So ang atong biyahe karon Cagayan de Oro City, Indahag, Libona, Manolo, Fortich. Alright. Wala kay ni traffic diri. Uy, gwapo Tacoma oh. Toyota Tacoma. I hope nga makakita ta og tubilanan diri babaw. Og I hope nga di ko masaaga ni akong biyahe. Murag diri siguro. Sige lang, makitaan ra lagi ni. Nindalaan na diri. Magpaingan Indahaga. Kani man siguro. Mo ba nindalaan na? Ay, wala na ron. Ay, bahala na. Antag na tayo magkita ng tubilaanan diya. Kung dili siguro takitag shell. Kuan na lang. Murag mo ni. Kaagi na day ko nga rida eh. So magsugod tag English kanang didto na tarapit Indahag kanang pasaka na tag Manolo. Kay dire basin malipat na hinuon ko dire English ta dire masaag na nung tag maayan ni kagwang na ginor. Ay murag to dito tumoy ay. Sige lang ako sa pangitaon ng dalan mga higala. Dire murag mo na ni siguro. Patuo ta. I hope nga di ta masaag dire. Kanila ka. Si adventure bito. Para ni tubila ni lako. Lingaw kita ni ron. Tanah sa ta. Nong. Mo ni pasakag Indahag? Streeton ra ni? Sige.
Sakag Indahag. Kita ka na Petron dia, Petron. Unang Petron ay pawala.
Sakan.
Kita Indahag na na.
Sige.
Sa una na may highway na may crossing. Street ita. Kana sundan ako sa jeep.
Sige. Salamat Sige, thank you. Okay, so nakapangutaan na ta. Shout out lang. Wala pangutaan na yung pangalan sir. Shout out sir. Thank you kayo sa information. So sa Petron, tama na Petron. Agi tag Petron. Singon ni sir, Petron, din sunahan ni pawala. Tuloy-tuloy na dayon. Sige, pero patubil sa ta sa may Petron. Alright. Lami agi karangkada ning 912 boy. So, blind curve. Tara, di ta mo overtake lagi nang inana, di ta magkumpiyansa. Muna akong ikuan defensive driving ba. Ingon to tong gipangutanan nga sundalan ng jeep, akong gibertikan ng jeep. Right, so nagpatubil ta diri sa Petron. Dari wala. Dire di ay Mo ba ni paindahag diri? Mo ba ni? Wala man ka.
What the dog doing?
Mo na siguro ni. Mutaan. Sumasaag ta masaag. Sir, kanang mo ni paindahag sir? Ay, thank you sir. So, di ay mo din eh, nakinumdum na ko gamay. Kay nangutan naman ko. Okay. So, in Dahag, Promised Land. So, murag dire na siguro sugot tag in English dire. Okay, English challenge ni. Ay, dako rin, mag-Korean din taon niya. Dayon, kay kanta na Korean. Kaya na nag-request ako ang Korean. Mantaan eh. Diretso. Tay, paindahag, tay. Paindahag. Ay, paindahag, dirigang. Kanay saka. Thank you. Mo, day ni. Nakaagin ako diri ba pero makalimot kay gyapon ka ba man ning mangutahan na ta. So muna ni siya. So this travel kaning biyahe na to mag English challenge ta. Amot wala may nag-challenge ako ra mag-challenge sa magalingon kang ina mo lang pud nato god. So kaning in English kanang joke ra nato niya nang kuan ba kanang di gini sa ingon nga sineryoso kay siyempre di matamay mo English kuan ra na ako kanang tawag na rung grammar pa nito ni English niya nga tong in English waray isa ka baldi waray isa ka bo or isa ka basur gyud pero tong inamawon magkuan ta uy nanawag. Wait lang. Alright, so naputol tagamay mga higala dito no kaya nanawag atong igsuon. Importante kaayo nga kuan o ito bag. So nanata diri sa Dahag. So mo gito mag in English ta gamay ra gid akong in English gid bay. Pasensya na gini ninyo ni. Grabe to. So this kani nga biyahe English challenge, challenging myself in 3 2 1 go. Alright, so good morning folks, after all here. So I'm traveling this road going up to Indahag. So I've passed this road a couple of times, but it's just only a fragment of my memories. Fragments of my memories. Seryoso. So that is why I asked so many people coming. I asked so many people going up here so that I would not be lost along the way. So because I haven't installed back my cell phone holder, so I cannot look at it. I mean, so I mean I cannot look at the map directly from my phone because my cell phone holder, smartphone holder was not installed here in my motorcycle.
Moeten we nu nog antwoorden of niet? Want
English challenge. Right, so I'll cut off this video for a moment, so I will continue recording along the way, if I have something, if I see something interesting, okay? Bear with me and travel along with me as we traverse this road. Cagayan de Oro, Indahag, Libona, and Manolo Fortich, right? So now I remember this place. So on my right, this is going to Amaya View, that place. So from here I can remember clearly going up to Libona. But from down there in Cagayan de Oro, I cannot properly recall anymore. That is why I asked so many people coming up right here. Kat sana to kajota. Ato ding in English diri bay. Ato ning Englishon ya. Balag di mao tong grammar, balag nagkapunga-punga ta. Atong islang. Islang na to kay muratag korek ani. Sige. Balik ta. 3, 2, 1. Right, and I believe this part. I believe that this part is Indahag already. We've reached now Indahag. I'm embarrassing myself here. It's okay. This is just for fun, you know. Okay, I believe this part right now is going up to we're going up right to Libona right here. So welcome to the municipality of Libona. So we are now here in Libona. So I have someone right behind me, a motorcycle following me, and I have right in front of me is a Toyota. I think that is a Toyota Hilux, but an older model. Alright, so I remember that I have one request from one follower. She said that let us also speak in Korean. I will grant her request, but I will not speak Korean. Instead, I will sing a song in Korean, right? So there's a lot of curves in this part of the highway, huh? Okay. Foot bath, right? It's a good thing that there's a foot bath in there, so that all the viruses and bacteria cannot enter Bukidnon. Right, so this time I will sing a song in Korean, based on the request of one of my followers, Miss Darna Grace. Right, so the song goes like this in Korean, huh? Right, in Korean. In 3, 2, 1. Bakit baramı kararmışsın pa Tanging kura Makita sa'yo Agara kuru Nangangara baru mo sa pariraku Muri makiraku at magazamaku Suaruru with you. There, that's a song right there. in Korean. So this route is an alternative route if you don't want to be stuck in the traffic so much there in Cagayan de Oro. If it's during the rush hour and it's too much traffic down there, you could use this route if you are going to Bukidnon. English challenge. Lisod-lisod ram to kagalingon na ni. Wow. I'd really love to see this kind of view. Luscious green environment. Anyway, let's continue. This is a challenge, and I want to challenge myself also. You know? Okay. Ginusto mo yan eh. Ginoo ko. Ay, nako. Let us enjoy this ride. And the English challenge. Ah! Lagot eh. So time check, it is already 12:05 and I haven't eaten anything yet, so maybe I will eat at home when I arrive. So we are approaching at a much higher elevation. So this part of the road or the highway is part of Barangay Poblacion. So let's just stop by over here and enjoy the view, right? Oh, all right. Wow. 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 Oh my God. Wow, Bukidnon is really a nice place. It's a nice place, very nice place, right? Let's go. Let's continue on our journey. Ah! So going through this route, this is the part where I don't know why, but this part wasn't cemented. It's still a rough road. Maybe around 500 to 1,000 meters distance, 1 kilometer. Oh no, it's only around maybe 150 meters. 150 meters of uncemented road. So this is the part where maybe it is owned by a private individual who don't want to be who don't want his land to be cemented, you know. I don't know why. So I'm just enjoying the travel. I'm just enjoying the view because it's been a very long time since I traveled this road. Oh, there's really very few vehicles traveling also along this road, along this route. So there's no traffic in this place. What's this place? What's that place? Is it a... I don't know what's that place. You know, I think there's a lot of I mean, not a lot, but quite few tourist spots in this place that I haven't heard about. Maybe it's because most of this place, or those places, were not posted on social media. So there's the municipal gym right over here, municipal gymnasium, and the municipal hall is over there, and this is, oh, that's, I think that's the old Libona Municipal Hall, because the new Libona Municipal Hall is over there. Yeah, so Libona Municipal Hall, Libona Municipal Hall, right? And this is the police station. Okay. Alright, alright. So as you have observed, both on my right and on my left is a pineapple plantation, and I believe that this plantation belongs to Del Monte, Philippines. Yeah. So we will be passing through Camp Phillips, where the Del Monte, Philippines, I think it's the main office of Del Monte, Philippines. So we will be passing through that area a little while. So as you can see, wow, it's very, very vast. The pineapple plantation in this area from Manolo going here in Libona is very, very vast. Look at that. See? Look at that. Look at that. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Look at that. And over this area too, on my right. On my right and on my left. And considering that this is now the only place that they have, as I can remember, that is the only vehicle, four-wheel, that has overtaken me, that has passed me by. That is the first, from Cagayan de Oro. Wow! So there's quite a few vehicles passing, going through this area. We are now here in Camp Phillips, Bukidnon. So if you are going to Dahilaya Nature Park, here in my right, this part, that is the way. You will pass through Camp Phillips. There's, you can see a huge pineapple, right? So going back there, that is going to Camp Phillips, and going to Dahilaya Nature Park and other tourist spots here in this place. So we're going to Manolo. We will be turning right, because going straight that will lead us to Damilag. Okay, that is going to Barangay Damilag. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh, because the dust coming from the tractor cultivating the land. Ah, nako, abog. Well, anyway, kurot na itong in English, mga men. So now we are here at this intersection in which if we continue onwards we will arrive at Barangay San Miguel there in Kawayanon, Barangay San Miguel. So we will be going to Manolo. That's why we turned right. So this part here we will arrive at Manolo Fortich shortly. Wow, look at that. Woo! Pineapple plantation on my left, another pineapple plantation on my right. Wow! And those are the workers, the people's planting, doing the land preparation. Look how vast it was. Look. Wow. Wow. So we are now here in Manolo Fortich. Manolo Fortich. And this is the Manolo Fortich public market. And this is their transport terminal. We are now here at the intersection and we are approaching the Sairi Highway. Going on my left, that is going to Cagayan de Oro, and here going on our right, we'll be turning right going to Malaybalay, Bukidnon. So this is Manolo Fortich. Manolo Fortich. This is the park. That is the Manolo Fortich Gymnasium, and that is the parish church over there. Where? There, oh there. Alright, so Manolo Fortich is a very, very progressive municipality. It has developed a lot, it has progressed a lot for the past 10 years. So I think that concludes our English challenge. I will not record anymore this part of this road going to Malaybalay because I have uploaded a lot of videos on this part of the road. So I think I'm gonna record once again when I arrived in Malaybalay. So thank you so much, folks, for your patience. Thank you so much for watching our video, our English challenge. Thank you so much for laughing with me. Thank you so much for bearing with me. This is only a joke. I'm not fluent in English. I'm not. Yeah, my vocabulary is very, very, very low. My English vocabulary. So we have safely arrived here in Malaybalay. Now, hi, English challenge. Undang na siguro tayo. Okay na to. Okay na to, okay na to. Luod na kayo. Gingil-ngigan ako kamino. Gingil-ngigan ako kamino. Nakaabot ra kita, nagsitig English amo. So salamat sa Ginoo nga nakaabot kita nga safe. Itong biyahe walay kakulian. So niya kita from Cagayan de Oro, niya kita Indahag, Libuna, Manolo Fortich. So we are here in Malaybalay at exactly 1:52 PM. So naghinahinay ra mangod punta, so mga taong dagat. So nalingaw ko sa kung in English. Korean nalingaw. Ah! So Malaybalay na gidita kay bago lang nag-ulan, no. Basa ang dalan. So bago ra gid sakto ra gid atong dagan ay nahinay kay kung paspas ra kay ta naapsan ginato ang ulan. So ano yung mga improvements diri. So diri day mo pahigayon na pod ang Kamulan Festival karon sunod tuig. Siguro magsugod na siya March na pod or April or March to April. Mga month long celebration Kamulan Festival. So kung ikaw ay hindi galing dito sa Bukidnon, you are not from Bukidnon, and narinig mo about sa Kamulan Festival, so dito I invite you. Invite para namang magkakapera ako pag nag-invite. Experience Bukidnon. Maraming magagandang lugar dito sa amin. So experience Bukidnon. So dito mapupuno lahat ng mga booth. So dyan yung sa stage na yan ng lahat ng mga activities. So every activities will be posted in the social media ng I don't know, Bukidnon or anong tawag dyan? Kamulan Task Force. So kakatapos lang ng ulan. Alright, so thank you so much for being with me through this travel, to this English na sad. Salamat kayo sa inyong pag-uban sa kuha aning biyahe. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin sa biyaheng ito. Sana nawa po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa aking kagaguhan. Sana nawa ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating English challenge.